Hanggang dito. Tangkinang.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to Morning Run episode. And let's have coffee. For today's video, we're gonna do a morning run, recovery run, and our target is at least 7 to 8 kilometers, pero depende na lang kung hanggang saan naabutin. And our starting line is doon sa SM South Mall. So we're gonna take tricycle out palabas ng subdivision, and then from there we're gonna walk going to SM South Mall. Yeah, so good luck to me. See you later. Morning guys, so we are now all set and ready. So I will also be trying this vest and see kung okay ba siya. And as you can see, I have the light. So tatakbo kasi tayo along Las Piñas Road, and so maraming sasakyan. So let's go, at ako yung mag-warm up pa. See you later. Isa ka pa. Dito. Morning guys, we are now heading up to SM South Mall. I don't know, pero I really find that this along Las Piñas Highway or road very challenging. I'm not so sure kung ako palang runner na tumatakbo dito. It's actually my fifth time, pero ewan ko, baka challenging. See you later. Alright guys, exactly on the entrance we start. Let's rock our LSD this morning guys. See you on the next one.
A few moments later.
May ganda ka lang kung kompleto na natin yung server. So pinapos ako ng 1. Stop ko sa kanto ng Sapote. Kailangan ko na naman bumuo na at least 2 to 3 kilometers. So yun ang Strava from kanto ng Calaba. And basta ako sa nabuti ng 3, that's it. But I'm not so sure kung i-allow siya nung sinali akong virtual. 2 separate running one day. So I hope I reach equivalent more likely 9 kilometers. Let's go. That's it for today guys. I'm really sorry. So I was able to complete 3.32 kilometers just to add up to the 6.37 or try to 5. See you on my next one.